guys see the Restaurant Depot, you know? That's me right there. Pick up some chicken now. Yeah guys, this is how the morning starts. This is how we get it. Yeah. Cocoa right there. This is how it starts, you know? So it drinks. Cheese and everything. Yeah. Chicken down there. You know, one of the real deal. Yeah, Restaurant Depot, you know. That's how we start the morning. Wings we have one here, so. Over here, so. Curry shrimp. Rasta pasta with shrimp also. So, go show you the full product. Alright? Right off the truck. Let me see it. Right off the truck. Yeah. So looks so dark. Oh, there you go. Look at this again. Check this out. There's wings right there. Barbecue. Say one all barbecue. Yeah, man. We got more fry around there than grease. Yeah, man. Ready. Here's to the cheese. So the jerk wings. We're there. Actually, then say rain will come tomorrow. I don't know how to do. See that? Some good oxtail. Yeah, man. Check it out. Nice oxtail. That is it. Who coming out? This is my lock, man. I have to buzz it out this morning. I locked the key up